You need to wear your mask outside. You need to wear your mask outside.
You know, excuse me. I stole for that. Thank you for. It was unexpected outlets. Not when I first. I'll bet that mother. Done. I think without.
You need to wear your mask outside.
It's going to come. Here we go.
A very different
Takes it off.
and incorrect message.
What the president is portraying by taking his mask off when he gets back to the Truman balcony to give this grand return to the White House is that everything is fine.
Wear your mask.
A stranger came up to you and said,
How old are you, honey? You're 11 years old. Talk to me before we leave, okay?
what would you say?